guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the products that I'm currently loving, and these are products obviously because the weather is changing that are perfect for the summertime. I did another video I think 2 years ago where I talked about products that I loved for the summertime. So if you want to see more products that I talk about, I'll link that video up in the cards, and I'll also link it in the description box down below. Obviously that video was like 2 years ago, so my tastes have updated a little bit. When I was pulling things for this video, things that I thought, okay, this is definitely a summertime favorite or a current favorite, I noticed that a lot of the products followed like the same kind of theme. You know, like I have a spray, I have some hydrating stuff, just because during summertime that's the stuff that you want to focus on. So I do want to remind you to stay to the very end of the video because I will be doing a giveaway and I'm so excited. Just stay till the end of the video and I'll give you all the entry details. The first product that I want to talk to you guys about, I'm really excited because this is a product that I don't think that you would necessarily think, oh yeah, I need one of those, unless somebody kind of was like, hey, have you heard about this product? For me though, how I found this product was out of need. A lot of you know that I go to the gym a lot. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, I'm constantly posting about it. But because I go to the gym so often, basically every day, and some days I'm doing multiple workouts a day, it's really important to me that I keep my electrolytes up. Even though I drink tons of water, I drink about 3 liters of water a day, my body was still really dehydrated. I started going to the naturopath, I started going to a chiropractor, and both of them had made comments about how my body felt dehydrated. And you guys know I talk about consuming water so much and the importance of consuming water. But the problem is that if you consume water and you're not getting your electrolyte intake in, water's not going to be able to absorb into your body and do the things that it needs to do, like hydrate you, flush you out, etc, etc. So for me, as I started noticing that my skin was getting drier, and as like the naturopath and the chiropractor had told me that I was getting dehydrated, I was like, okay, I need to find an electrolyte powder to really help keep the electrolytes in my body. I didn't want to just go anywhere and get some kind of drugstore electrolyte. I wanted to make sure that it was going to be something that was well made, something that was chemical free, you know, something that was just natural as possible, but still provided the electrolytes that I needed for my body. I went onto Google and I was researching, and I came across this brand named QUENCHER, and I started reading up on the brand. I went on the website and I literally was sold. I was like, oh my god, this sounds amazing. It's made really well. It's made by a naturopathic doctor here in Toronto, and everything was about holistic living, natural living, and just the stuff that I want to put into my body. So I decided to order the whole kit. It comes with like a protein powder, it comes with electrolyte. You can buy everything individually, but I decided to get the kit, and I'm telling you guys, my life was changed. So this is the product here. I'm incorporating the electrolyte powder into my favorites video because during the summertime you are going to be sweating a lot, especially if you work out or if you even just spend any time outside. Your body's going to be sweating all the time, so it's really important to keep your body hydrated, and most importantly to make sure that hydration is staying in your body and it's absorbing into your system. You're going to want to go in with an electrolyte powder. This is a great electrolyte powder. I've talked about this so much on my Instagram because I literally feel like it's changed my life. I've noticed how soft my skin has become ever since I've used it because the water is just being able to absorb into my body. It comes in a tub like this, and there's 50 portions in this tub. But for those of you who are always on the go and you maybe don't want to have to carry around this tub or pre-make your drinks, you can buy individual sachets like this. It just comes like this, and I got the pack of 24 here, and I buy like multiple packs of these. Whenever Brandon and I are on road trips, or even if we're going out for the day, a lot of times we like to do like day adventures. We like to go hiking about 2 hours away. We like to go to the islands up in Toronto Island. So whenever we're out for the day and I know that we're going to be sweating a lot, I know we're going to be outside a lot, I make sure to pack a whole bunch of these, and then I'll just throw it into some of my water and I'm good to go. I started telling the ladies at my gym about this, and one of them actually purchased it and she loves it. So many people who I've told about this that they started purchasing it, now they just have to keep using it. If you are an active person, or if you are just constantly outside or you sweat a lot, this is a product that you have to try. I'm telling you guys, it makes such a difference to keep your body hydrated, and I tell you guys all the time in all of my videos whenever I talk about skincare or body health or anything, that the most important thing is to just keep yourself hydrated. Even in terms of skincare, making sure that you are hydrated will work wonders for your skin. So I promise you guys, this is not a product you will regret. One tip I will tell you about this product though is it's much better cold than if you just do it room temp. I've drank it both ways. To me, I really don't care because it's like whatever, but I definitely notice that when it's cold it's a lot more refreshing and the taste is a lot better. And for those of you who like Gatorade, it's kind of like Gatorade. This is the only thing other than just natural water that I will drink. I hold this product in high regards. It is definitely one of my faves, and sorry for those of you who follow me on Instagram and Snapchat for spamming you guys and always talking about this product, but literally guys, I promise you, it is so, so, so good. So because I started loving the product, I reached out to the brand and I'm like, hey, got a discount code for my subscribers. So they were so extremely generous and they were willing to work with me, and they are offering 15% off the whole Age Quencher site. So I personally have every product from Age Quencher, but definitely if I say you had to pick one product to try from them, it would definitely be the electrolyte powder, but I also really love their protein powder. So please go on the site, do yourself a favor, look around, see what they have, see what they like. You guys can message me on Instagram and Snapchat if you need more information about any of the products. If you use the code ruthrchin, you get 15% off your whole entire order, and I'm so happy about it because I really want you guys to try this, so I'm glad that they were willing to give me the code so you guys had more incentive to try out these products. The next product I wanted to talk to you guys about was a hydration spray. It really is a toner, and I've talked to you guys about this before in many different videos that I can link down below if you guys want to hear more in depth about the product. This is the Province Apothecary Invigorating and Balancing Toner. It has rose and geranium in it. And I'm telling you guys, like, oh, I don't even have words to how much I love this. I talk about this product all the time, and whenever somebody says to me, I need a spray, I need a toner, I need this, I literally am like, you need to get this one. I talk about this toner so much that I feel silly coming on and talking about this product again, but it really is a product that I use all the time. I use it to obviously tone my skin in my normal skincare routine, but I also use it whenever I just need a spritz of energy, whenever I just need to cleanse my face a little bit, give my skin a little bit of extra hydration. I also use it when I'm doing my makeup. I use it like a setting spray, so I'll spray it in between my makeup application, in between foundation, in between concealer. I'll do it at the end to give my skin a little bit of extra oomph. When you are at the gym, the first thing that you want to do is cleanse your skin right away, like right away. Leaving that dirt and that salt and all of the excess toxins that are coming out of your skin is not healthy for your skin. So as soon as I'm done the gym, what I do is I take a makeup remover wipe, just something like this, and I just cleanse my skin. I pull one out, just cleanse my skin, and there's nothing on my skin, it's just dirt, but I'll take it and I'll rub it all over my skin, and then I'll go in with this toner to spritz all over my skin. Obviously the best thing to do is to wash your face completely, but for some of us who are busy or we're not able to go home and do like a full skincare routine, this will hold you over until you can do your skincare routine. And even if you don't work out a lot, if you're sweating a lot, if you are out in the sun and you have sunscreen and sweat on your skin and you kind of need just to give yourself a little bit of a break before you put like another application of sunscreen on or something like that, you just go in, take a makeup remover wipe, then spray this on, and your skin will be A-okay, honey. So with Province Apothecary as well, I am a brand ambassador, so if you guys want to try any of their products, I have a whole video on their products, so I'll link that down below. But if you want to try any of their products, it's free shipping over $50, and you get 15% off if you use the code ruthrchin at checkout. I couldn't talk about a current favorite, summer favorite video and not talk about water. I talked about water in my last video, but the one thing I want to edit from that video is the fact that I say use any brand, and I think I show you guys one of my big 1.5 liter Evian plastic bottles. I actually don't use plastic anymore. If you come to my house, it is a plastic-free house. Other than, you know, plastic that comes in like the packaging of things that I buy, I really don't buy any plastic. I use glass, I use stainless steel, I use wood. I really don't want to contribute to the plastic effects that are happening on our earth. So on the day-to-day, I'm drinking out of this bottle, and it helps me track too as well. Like I know I have to drink like 3 of these a day, and I'm over my 3 liters. So it's a great way for me to keep track of the water I drink. I encourage you guys that if you don't have like a reusable water bottle that's made of glass or stainless steel, to get one of these. I just got mine from Costco. I'm constantly on the go. I'm constantly running around town or out doing events. Especially in the summer, I always have water with me. But a lot of times I don't want to bring this big clunky water bottle. It is really heavy when it's filled, and it's always something I have to remember to not forget or bring with me. So sometimes when I go out, I just like to do disposable water just to make it easy if I'm going somewhere where I know that I don't want to have to carry around the water with me after. Also, Brennan and I do tons of road trips to the States, and I hate the water in America. It's so funny because my cousins who live in the state, when they come here, they're like, ew, we hate the Canadian water. I honestly hate American water. So every time we drive to America, when we go on road trips, I always pack a few cases of this water in the trunk of my car, and I will take it with me so that I am able to drink water throughout the whole trip and I'm not getting dehydrated. The only company that I can do that for is with Flow. And I say that because Flow is made out of a Tetra Pak. I don't feel as bad if it's in the car and I know that there's heat in the car water, whereas if you had plastic, as soon as the plastic starts to heat up, the chemicals and the toxins from the plastic goes into the water that you're going to be drinking. I have been drinking Flow for years and years and years. The reason I love it is because obviously of the packaging. It's not plastic packaging. It is 100% alkaline water, which you always want to keep your body in an alkaline state. And I know that when it's transported and when it's in the bottle, the heat and the weather around it is not going to affect the water inside, which makes me feel really comfortable drinking the water. Really, so far this whole video has talked about hydration from the inside and out, and definitely if you're looking for a water that you know you can trust and a water that you know is not only going to help keep you hydrated but also is not going to harm the earth with its packaging or is not going to have any chemicals or toxins, this is the water that you want to drink. Okay, so there's two hair products that I want to mention to you guys. For those of you who watched my scalp facial review video, I did a little hair care product haul at the end, and there were two products that stood out to me that I guess stood out to me because I had never even heard of products like this before, and it was my first time ever really using them. So the two products that I want to talk about are from the salon downtown where I did my scalp facial, and this is the Sea Salt Scaler from Dr. For Hair. You just twist the little cap here and you twist it over and you separate your hair, and then you pour a little bit on your scalp, and sea salt comes out in this like gel formula, and you start to rub it onto your scalp and it lathers up. And you do this before shampoo. It is basically like an exfoliant for your scalp. I love it, guys. I have dry patches on my scalp. Since I've been using this, I've noticed that the dry patches are no more, finito, bye-bye, because I'm able to just scrape off all of that dirt, all of the excess gunk that's in my scalp. Just like you would take care of your skin, you need to be taking care of your scalp as well. And I do like a whole video where I talk about the hair care and how to make your hair grow and the scalp facial and all of that stuff. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the cards up here and I will link it in the description box below. This is the Root Activator Scalp Serum. It's a water-based serum, which I love because I know that it's going to penetrate into my scalp. A lot of the oil-based serums are not going to be able to penetrate into your scalp because the molecules are too big compared to your actual scalp, like hair follicles. To kind of make sure that you are nourishing your scalp after you've exfoliated it, you definitely want to go in with a hair serum. It's so easy to use this product as well. It's a roll-on ball. You separate your hair like you would for the Sea Salt Scaler, and then you just roll it directly onto the scalp and then use your finger to massage it in. You do this after you come out of the shower, so it would be on damp hair, but you can also use it on days where your hair is dry. So in the morning, if you wanted to just give your hair an extra boost of hydration, you can go in with the serum and just rub it in. I like knowing that my scalp is hydrated because when my scalp is hydrated, I know that I'm not going to get any of those dry patches or those dry flakes. So this is a product I would recommend if you're experiencing any type of dryness on your scalp, but especially if you want to kind of activate your roots and get your hair process growing and things like that, this is a product that you want to try out. The salon was kind enough to give me a 10% off coupon for anybody who wanted to try out their products. So you can go onto their website and do any products. They even have the scalp facial. Your first time you get 10% off, and all you have to do is use the code ruthrchin at checkout. If you want to buy the scalp facial, you can just buy a voucher on top of the order that you're buying for this, and then use the code ruthrchin and you'll get 10% off your whole order. Okay guys, now for giveaway time. I'm so excited to be doing this giveaway, and I'm so thankful to all of the sponsors who were willing to work with me and collaborate with me on this video. I reached out to QUENCHER, to Province Apothecary, and to the salon, and I asked them if they'd be willing to donate a prize to this giveaway so that you guys could try some of my favorite items, and they all said yes, and I'm so thankful and appreciative to all of them. This really excites me because when I tell you guys about products and whenever I recommend anything to you guys, I strongly feel 100% about these products. I'm behind them 100%. And I know for some of you, you might be hesitant to try them. So it's really important for me to give you this opportunity to try out these products and see how good they work so that you can fall in love with them as well. The winner of this giveaway is going to receive a Province Apothecary toner, the full size, obviously. You're also going to win the Root Activator Scalp Serum, and then you're going to win 10 of these QUENCHER Hydrate Electrolyte Packs. I'm so excited for you! So basically, I'm going to leave all the details of the giveaway in the description box below. It is an Instagram-based giveaway, so very quickly though, you must be following me on Instagram. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting this photo right here. You guys can go onto my Instagram, make sure that you're following all of the accounts that I've listed underneath the photo. You must like the photo, and then you also need to tag a friend in the comments below. The giveaway is going to go until June 21st, and the winner will be announced on June 22nd. There are more fun things coming up very soon, so make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and make sure you're following me on Instagram, because as soon as those fun things go live, I want you guys to be the first to know. So this is the end of my video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enter the giveaway and let your friends know so that they can enter too. These are the products that I've been using constantly this last little while, and I know I'm going to be using into the summertime. I guess looking at the products, you can tell that I really believe in hydration and making sure that you are hydrated from inside and out. I will link all the products below, and any coupon codes or anything like that will also be listed below, so make sure to check that out if you want to try any of the products that I mentioned. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't ever forget, you are so beautiful. Bye guys!